In 2026, being broke isn't a lack of money, it's a lack of a blueprint. While everyone else is trying to keep up with the Joneses on credit, a new movement is helping people save thousands by doing the opposite. It's called loud budgeting. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use this no-shame approach to plug the leaks in your bank account and hit your first $10,000 in savings, even if you feel like you're barely getting by. Welcome to the Budget Blueprint. In 2026, the quiet struggle is over. We've all felt it, the subscription creep, the $15 sandwiches, and the feeling that no matter how much you make, the math just doesn't add up. But while most people are still trying to look rich on credit, a new movement is helping thousands of people reclaim their freedom. It's called loud budgeting. Today, I'm showing you exactly how this no-shame approach can help you plug the leaks and save your first or next $10,000. Welcome to the Budget Blueprint. Loud budgeting isn't about being cheap, it's about being vocal. It's the opposite of quiet luxury. It's telling your friends, I can't go to that $100 dinner because I'm hitting my $5,000 emergency fund goal this month. By being loud, you remove the social pressure to spend money you don't have. You're not saying, I'm broke, you're saying, I have a plan. And in this economy, having a plan is the ultimate flex. To make loud budgeting work, we have to kill the 5 habits that are quietly draining your accounts. Number 1, the convenience tax. Are you paying $10 extra for delivery because you didn't want to drive 5 minutes? That's $500 a year gone. Number 2, micro subscriptions. If you haven't used that app in 30 days, delete it. Number 3, the sale trap. Buying something you don't need just because it's 40% off is still spending 60% too much. Number 4, ignoring your burn rate. If you don't know exactly what it costs you to exist every month, you're flying blind. Number 5, fear of saying no. This is where loud budgeting saves you. Here's your blueprint for the next 30 days. First, calculate your survival number, your rent, utilities, and groceries. Second, pick one loud goal, like a $2,000 travel fund. Third, tell at least one person about it. When the temptation to spend arises, your loud goal acts as your shield. You'll be surprised how much faster the numbers grow when you stop hiding them. Saving $10,000 isn't about luck. It's about the blueprint you follow every single day. If you're ready to stop the leaks and start building real wealth in 2026, hit that subscribe button and join the movement. I'm Dan, and this has been the Budget Blueprint. I'll see you in the next video.